Hey, what's up guys? Today we're exploring the anatomy of my Medic Solo Kit. So this one happens to be the advanced version. We also offer a basic, which is the same kit, it's the same bag and everything, but with the advanced you get a few more life-saving items. That's the difference. I personally would go with the advanced every time. It's just a more complete kit. Starting up front here, you've got the Velcro tab. It's got a front mesh pocket with an elastic band up top, so a little extra storage there. In back, you've got MOLLE strap, so if you're running a MOLLE system on your bag or inside your vehicle or something, this will lace right in, no problem. You've got a grab handle up top, and one cool thing I like about this, it's the small details, right? And this is one of them that I really like. The pull tab is actually designed and just fits very well in 2 fingers. So let's check out the contents of the Solo Kit. Keep in mind, the Solo Kit is for one person. You've got your tourniquet for arterial bleeds. You've got your quick clot, hemostatic gauze. You've got your chest seal. So major items are super easy to get to you right here in this front pocket. So this is very strategically placed. Another cool thing is the elastic loops in here keep everything super organized. There's nothing worse than open up a kit or a bag or whatever, and then you're just rifling through trying to find what you need, and it's just a big ball of mess. So this keeps everything nice and organized. In these elastic strips, from my right to left, we've got a whistle here, liquid skin, tweezers, needle pullers, your 5.5-inch trauma shears. You've got 10 feet of paracord. So you might be thinking, why is there 10 feet of paracord in my first aid kit? I encourage you to get on Google and see all the uses and things you can do with paracord, and you'll understand why there's 10 feet of it in this kit. Super useful. I have it in all my kits. So moving on, we've got a sodium chloride or normal saline solution. So to get something in your eye, or if you need to irrigate a wound, you're good to go. We'll get into the topical module here. And within that, you've got a burn treatment. So for minor burns, this has a little bit of lidocaine in it. It's just a great topical sunscreen. You got triple antibiotic. Ammon's favorite, the pomegranate lip balm. So if you're missing it, Ammon probably took it. You've got hand sanitizer. You've got your oral pain relief gel there, hydrocortisone cream, and then some sting relief. So super complete for all the little minor things that can happen out there. You do have a wound closure module here, and within that you've got a couple different size sutures. You've got the 3/0s and the 5/0s, and then you've also got 3 secure strips. Of course, the sutures go hand in hand with your needle pullers, tweezers, and with that skin glue there, you've got a super complete set for some good laceration closure. You've got a Band-Aid module. So you've got a couple different sizes. So big ones, normal size, and then you get a couple pieces of super skin too, which is cool for those high friction areas. If you start to get a blister or whatever, you've got super skin to help with that. You do have an NPA, or nasopharyngeal airway, so if your patient can't protect their own airway, you drop this in and alleviate that issue. So you've got your little over-the-counter med module here. Covers all your basics. You've got ibuprofen for inflammation and swelling. You've got some bismuth for stomach issues if your stomach's upset. You've got an antihistamine in here for allergies. And then you have acetaminophen for fever and pain relief as well. Finally, of course, you want to protect yourself with a pair of gloves. So as you can see, it's a super complete kit. This, again, is the advanced. This is the one-person solo kit. I'm a huge fan of this kit. You can use it as a standalone. You can throw it in your bag, your vehicle, whatever. So that's it for the solo kit, guys. Hey, thanks for showing up and stepping up your first aid game. I'm your guide, Billy Haley, helping you stay alive.